Today, 10th December 2025, the ark is being loosed. The ark of the side altars, which have been casted last week. The carpenter is loosening the boards. You see the arcs. They're just very beautiful. Very nice. We thank God the church is taking a good shape. While this side of the church is still being casted. The lintel, shining, and the parapets are still being casted up to today. Small. These ones which have been casted last week the boards have been being loosed. Thank God.